If you own a Kindle but you're not using the right accessories, you're honestly missing out. Reading can be more comfortable, more secure, and way more convenient with a few smart upgrades. These are the Kindle accessories that actually make a difference. The CoBak clear case is perfect for readers who want protection without hiding their Kindle's design. It's made from flexible, shock-absorbing material that protects against scratches, minor drops, and everyday wear while keeping the device slim and lightweight. The transparent finish lets you show off your Kindle's color or any custom skins you've added. It snaps on easily and provides precise cutouts for ports and buttons, so you don't lose functionality. The raised edges help protect the screen when placed face down, which adds an extra layer of security. It's ideal for minimalists who want simple protection without adding bulk. If you want to keep your Kindle safe while maintaining its sleek look, check the description below for links and pricing. The MoKo case offers full coverage protection with a built-in front cover, making it great for people who toss their Kindle into a bag regularly. The magnetic closure keeps the cover securely shut, protecting the screen from scratches. Many versions support auto-sleep and wake functionality, which helps preserve battery life. The exterior feels durable while the interior lining prevents scuffs on the display. It adds slightly more bulk than a clear case, but in exchange you get stronger screen protection. It's a practical everyday case for commuters, travelers, and students who carry their Kindle around frequently. If full coverage and durability matter to you, you'll find the purchase links in the description below. The Strapsicle hand strap makes one-handed reading much more comfortable, especially during long sessions. It attaches securely to the back of your Kindle and allows you to slide your hand in for a stable grip. This reduces wrist strain and makes it easier to read while lying down or commuting. It's lightweight, easy to install, and doesn't permanently alter your device. For people who read for hours at a time, this small accessory can make a big difference in comfort. It's especially useful for larger Kindle models that can feel slightly heavier during extended use. If you want a simple way to improve reading comfort, check the description below for links and availability. The CoBak secure hand strap provides another ergonomic solution for one-handed reading. It attaches firmly and offers adjustable positioning to suit different hand sizes. The material feels sturdy and keeps your Kindle stable without slipping. It's a great option for readers who prefer a more secure hold compared to thinner, elastic-style straps. Whether you're reading in bed, on a train, or standing in line, this accessory helps reduce accidental drops and hand fatigue. It's compact and doesn't add significant weight to your device. For improved grip and added security, you can find the purchase links in the description below. The Lamicall Gooseneck tablet holder completely changes how you can use your Kindle. It clamps to desks, nightstands, or headboards and holds your device in place at adjustable angles. This is perfect for hands-free reading, especially while lying in bed. The flexible arm allows you to position your Kindle exactly where you want it, reducing neck and arm strain. It's sturdy enough to hold larger Kindle models securely without wobbling excessively. For readers who enjoy long sessions or want to read comfortably while relaxing, this setup feels surprisingly convenient. If hands-free reading sounds appealing, check the description below for links and pricing. The Lamicall tablet pillow stand holder is designed for comfort and flexibility. It rests on your lap, bed, or couch and supports your Kindle at multiple viewing angles. The soft base makes it ideal for relaxed reading sessions without needing a hard surface. It's lightweight and easy to move around the house. Whether you're sitting upright or lounging, it keeps your Kindle stable and visible. It's a simple accessory, but it significantly improves comfort for extended reading sessions. If you want a cozy and adjustable reading experience, you can find the links in the description below. With the right accessories, your Kindle becomes more comfortable, protected, and versatile. From protective cases to hands-free holders, these upgrades can seriously improve your reading experience. Subscribe for more smart tech picks and check the description below for all the links.